Did you know that a daily hug can reduce your chances of getting the cold or flu? Did you know that if you slept for 7.5 hours, that reduces your risk of getting sick by 3 times? These are simple things that you can do to reduce your chances of getting a cold or flu. Hi, I'm Shirley Archer, a mindful health educator and award winning health journalist. I help busy people who want to look and feel younger, healthier, and happier with natural, mindful methods. Nothing stands in the way of achieving goals faster than getting sick. So, I'm here to help you with these 8 tips so you can stay as healthy as possible during this cold and flu season. First tip: people who received hugs regularly had higher resistance against colds and flu, and if they got sick, they showed fewer and less severe symptoms. So get on out there and give a big hug to all those you love and enjoy those hugs daily. Number two, wintertime is a wonderful chance to sit by the fire and relax in the evening. And studies show that that actually reduces your blood pressure, reduces overall stress, which is important because higher stress reduces the immune system. So the more things you can do to relax on a daily basis, the less likely you are to get sick. So cozy up by the fireplace and enjoy a big hug. Number three, exercise regularly and moderately. Don't overdo it or push yourself when you're just not feeling fresh and energetic. Too high intensity workouts when you're not fully rested can actually break down your system and increase your risk of getting sick. Far better to do something easy and consistently. Moderate exercise is something like a comfortable walk where you break a sweat. You can still talk, but perhaps not sing loudly. Number four, sleep at least 7.5 hours per night. Studies show that people who sleep less than 7.5 hours a night have 300% chance. That's 3 times the chance of getting sick compared to people who sleep 7.5 hours or more. Really make a commitment to get a consistent sleep each night and to practice good sleep hygiene habits. Number five, meditate daily. Studies show that mindfulness is associated with a 50% reduction in colds and flus. Now, it's difficult to know what the dose is because studies are all across the spectrum in terms of the amount of time. So, I would start, if you're not already practicing meditation, with a minimum of 5 minutes daily and work your way up to 15, 20, 25 minutes or more as time permits and as you enjoy. Uh, Something is better than nothing. Number six, breathe deeply, especially fresh, clean air. Take a power pause for a few minutes of conscious breathing. And I have plenty of other videos that provide instruction on how to do this, but it's very important to calm the nervous system, reduce cortisol levels, and boost your immune system. So, something as simple as a daily deep breathing break can actually reduce your risk of cold and flus. And try to get out in the sun each day. Now, try to get outside a little bit in nature each day. And if there is sun, see if you can expose a little bit of skin to boost your natural levels of vitamin D3. And just 10 minutes is enough to create some conversion of sunlight into precious vitamin D for your health. Number eight, it's exciting. This is the recent findings from a study just published, but 30 minutes of sauna bathing regularly has been shown to reduce and actually improve heart health because it stimulates circulation, and that little elevation in core body temperature actually kills germs. So if you have opportunity to enjoy a sauna, try to do so on a regular basis. Let me recap these 8 simple tips. 1, hug it out. 2, sit by the fireplace. 3, exercise moderately and regularly. 4, sleep at least 7.5 hours per night. 5, meditate daily. 6, breathe deeply, especially fresh air if you can. 7, get out in the sunshine, expose your face, expose your arms if you can. And 8, enjoy sauna bathing. All these things are wonderful in and of themselves, but they do actually reduce your risk of colds and flus. I'd love to know which tip is your favorite and what you plan to start adding more of into your day to boost your immunity. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.